Very happy morning to everyone, and welcome back to new session of Python, which is data science. So, in last class in grade 9, you have already learned about data science through pandas. Like you have learned how to read data in the form of series and data frame, right? So now today, what we are going to do from today onwards, we are going to continue the series of data science, right? But there little bit of advanced version. So from now we'll focus on the data visualizations, right? So in the last class you have seen, if you want to read the data, you will get the data in the form of numbers, right? Either a series or column in the table form. Here we'll see how we can represent the data in the form of graph, that we call data visualizations, right? Now let's understand first how. Okay, so I hope this clears to you what is data visualizations, right? So if you can see, like if you can see in these images, there are multiple way of to represent data, right? So if you want to share a story, or if you want to tell a story to someone, right, it means you are telling a story through pictures and graphs, right? That is called data visualizations. Okay, now there are multiple types of data visualization. Number one, graph, as you most of you already aware about this one. So basically graph form, like if you want to visualize data in the form of graph, this is also one kind of data visualizations. Next one is the line graph. As you know, in maths you already learned how to represent your numbers in x and y axis through lines, right? There will be a coordinate points. You have to first like search for the coordinate points, and through line you have to draw the graphs. So this is called the line graph. This is also one of the data visualization technique. Next is the bar graph, right? So bar graph is also, you can say, it's a kind of you can say regular bars or columns, right? So here also there will be two axes. So you have to represent the data in the form of x-axis and y-axis, and through the vertical bars or columns. Next is the histogram graph. This is also one of the kind data to distribute the data through x and y axis. Okay. Now, last one is the pie chart, right? I hope all of you are already aware about this one also. So pie chart is also one kind of data visualization technique. Through this, you can represent your data in the form of circular representations, right? You can see this is a circle, or you can say it's a pie where there are different sectors are there, right? And in different sectors you can represent different kind of categories, or you can say data, right? So basically till now what we have learned today, data visualizations, like how we can visualize the data, and there are multiple ways to visualize the data, which is plots, charts and graphs, right? These are the common to analysis the data. Now the question is that where we'll use this kind of data visualization technique, right? So basically there are multiple things. If you are in mathematics also, right? So you have to represent the data, right? Why it is necessary? So suppose it is easy to understand the data through visualizations, through graphs, right, rather than the numbers. Suppose you have a bunch of data. If you want to compare the data through visualizations learning, you can easily categorize the data, you can easily calculate the data, right? So this is the benefit of data visualization technique, right? So from the next class we'll understand all the different types of data visualization technique one by one. So this is all from this class. I'll see you in the next class.